All right, Steph.
Hi.
Look, you made me a fantastic whiskey. But tell me about this one. What is this one?
So this is my newest creation for the month of November. We do showcase every month 5 different cocktails since Halloween was such a success. I ended up getting the chance to talk to Sam about let's create this every month. So
You know what the kick with Steph is? She always have all these unique drinks that she makes. I mean, all the years that I know her. I mean, some of the bars that we met her and we went to have a drink. She actually makes their menu for the bar, so she's amazing. This one, you just put some fire.
yep, let's do it a little again. So this is our apple of my eye. It's a vodka-based cocktail. It's kind of our take on a caramel apple mule. So if you're into that ginger beer, it balances so well with butterscotch schnapps. Believe it or not, balances well with ginger beer, and it gives you all these crazy flavors that you normally wouldn't expect from just a typical mule.
Right.
So I definitely recommend come check it out. We have 4 different other cocktails to try too.
The thing is, it's around the holidays, but regardless, whatever occasions you have, birthday, anniversaries, I think to make it super unique and special. And honestly, I check all the prices on the menus. It's not too crazy. It's really fair prices. And everything is so beautiful and so unique. Tell us a little bit about the food.
Yeah.
About the wings.
Definitely. So these wings are our LVBC cure that we use first. We bake them twice. We use our sweet and spicy citrus glaze topped off. If you want them spicy, which some people like a little kick, we have our fresh made jalapeno puree that we like to add on top. I always like to recommend put it on the side. This way, if you want to make it spicy, you get to do that. But this is the star of the show. This is our Steakhouse burger. We have 4 different burgers, but this is definitely number 1 selling. It has all the flavors of a steak dinner that you're looking for. If you like horseradish, we have a caramelized onion bacon jam, white cheddar with a half-pound burger. All of our burgers are half-pound, so you definitely are able to share. So, yeah.
Good size.
Not to mention, these are house-made kettle chips. Everything from the sauces to all of our sauces, all of our chips, all of our sides. We do fresh in-house every day. So we pickle our own veggies. This is our charcuterie board.
What did you say about the veggies?
These are pickled veggies that are fresh from the farmer's market, as well as our, we have a smaller version of it. So if you want to come by during happy hour every day from 3 to 6 p.m. all day on Monday, you can get a smaller portion with the calabrese, the salami, the ham, the cheese, the mustards.
On a pretzel.
Yep.
I almost
Freshly baked in-house, and you can't go wrong.
This looks beautiful.
Well, thank you.
So much, Steph. This is beautiful. I definitely recommend people for any occasion that you have anniversary, birthday, Valentine's, Christmas,
Yep.
and whatever occasion.
If you guys want to book a party here, go to our website, lvbrewco.com. We can seat up the whole restaurant. You guys can book the whole restaurant for wedding events, any private parties. Take the whole restaurant side just for you guys. Come by for comedy like we're doing tonight.
Yeah, tonight is a big comedy night.
So
we're going to share some of the comedy as well tonight, which is fantastic.
yeah.
Thank you.
Well, thank you guys. Thanks for always coming and finding me and coming and supporting Las Vegas Brewing Company. I love to be here. Thank you. Appreciate you guys.